What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 4, and today's topic will be drawing lines in OpenCV5. Okay, so for drawing lines in OpenCV5, we have a function called cv.line that will help you to draw the lines. Now, when I say drawing lines, that can be different forms or different location, right? Maybe you want to draw diagonal line, you want to draw like a line which starts from top left to bottom right, or maybe you want to draw a line within the middle of something, right? So there are a lot of different combinations, or you can say permutation and combinations are available. So the main objective of this tutorial is uh, to get familiar with the different coordinate system. Yeah, coordinate system is always only one coordinate system we are talking about, like XYZ, and basically how these coordinate systems are interacting, or how we can interact with this coordinate system by using NumPy array and CV2 libraries. That is the ultimate objective of this tutorial, because when you are start working on some enterprise grade project, or maybe if you want to develop some computer vision driven or image processing enabled application, that time this sort of knowledge are very much important, like lines, coordinate system, pixel, etc., right? So that is why I'm starting with small pieces, and later on we'll be going to integrate all these things to create something bigger, right? So let's start working on the part. Okay, so first thing first, import numpy as np, then import cv2. So first thing first, we'll be going to create an image. It will be np dot zeros. Okay, so let's create 500, 500 3. Okay, and np dot u this, I don't understand what is this, unsigned integer, something like that, right? So what will be the type? So uh, it should be u int u. Okay, I just did a mistake. np dot u int, like if our image is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to create an image. So cb2 dot line. So now it takes, the first argument will be the numpy array, second argument will be the x coordinate. So let's put 0 0 first, and let's put 10 10 first. Okay, see what is happening. Let's put a color. So let's give a green blue color, 0 and let's put my thickness will be 5. Okay, done. Then img. Okay, then cv2 dot im show. Okay, so I write line, and there I can easily write img. Okay, okay, then couple of things, right? We want to display the line, and basically the line should be visible until and unless we don't hit this thing, q. So while true, then cb2 dot width. Okay, 1. Okay, and then 0 x, then fifth equals to, I think this is 0. Yeah, 0 x fifth, it is going to be q, thing, small q, right? If it is q, then what we'll do, we'll be just going to destroy the thing. Okay, so this, but before I destroy this, I break. Okay, and inside this, outside of this thing, here cv2 dot destroy all windows 10, right? Now let's see, this is starting x, it is starting y, this is ending x and ending y, right? So here end is actually downwards, like suppose this is x, will start from here. Okay, and downwards means it will go here. Okay, so let's see how it is going. repeats here actually. It starts from here and downwards 10 means first it will go here and down. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I want to draw a line which starts from here and it will come here, right? So maybe for that reason what we have to do, we'll start from 0 0 and it will end where 0 0 means it will start here and ends here, and then it will be go here downwards 350. Okay, x coordinate means it is actually this thing, it will go here x and downwards means this. It will be the n coordinate. So maybe I can put it 500 500 499 499 499 and 499. If you see here, it is going to give me a diagonal. Okay, so I don't know, let's see. What is this? Why this is not getting destroyed? I don't know. Keep on pressing Q. I did a mistake here. It is going to be ORD, something like this. Very interesting. Okay, let's close this thing first. Let's execute. Okay, so now let's Q. Okay, diagonal. See, let's understand. So 0 0 means it will start from here, ends here, right? And now 499 499. For x coordinate 499 will come here, and y coordinate 499 will come here. This is the end point, and then it will be added. Now let's say I want to do it the reverse side. I want to start it from here and here, another line. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so it will start from here, so let's do it. Okay, so it will start from 500, or maybe it will start from 499 and go here. Let me think. Start from 499, it will stop here, and then it will go 0 and here. So maybe it will be 0 499. Let's see. It will be the reverse diagonal in a different order. Yes, right? Now I want to draw a line here in this position. Okay, basically it starts 0 and it will go here. Okay, at this point, this is the starting point. So maybe 0, it will be 250. Okay, so let's copy this thing, 0 to 50. So it should be 0 to 250. Okay, 250, right? 0 to 250, it's here. Then in the x coordinate it will go to here, means it will go to 250 to 0, means in this coordinate only I want to stay, means it is into here and I just want to go here. So okay, so this is 350 0. Okay, remember, so this is going to be 499 0. Okay, 499 0. So hopefully there should be a line. Let's think why this is not happening here. It came here. Okay, 0 to 250 feet. Then I say 499. I say 499 is here. And I then say 0. Why this is going here? 0 to 52 comes here. 499 comes here. And okay, 0 is here actually. I made a mistake. So it will be 499 499. Sorry, 0 means always here and it is going down here. So it will be 499 499. Sorry, not 499, 250 coordinates. Okay, same coordinate, same y coordinate. So this is the y coordinate 250. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so let's execute. Yes. Okay, and now the last thing, I want to draw a line from here. So basically it should be in the x coordinate, it will be reverse of this. Okay, so let's understand. Okay, it should be 250 0 here, 250 0, then I'll go here, go here and here, 250 0, right? Then in the same coordinate, 250 0, then you want to go where? You want to go x y coordinate, it will be here 250. Okay, and again I just thinking for y coordinate, so y coordinate is here 250 and it will be 250 is actually here, right? So I want to come here, right? So it is 250 0 and I want to put a line here, this coordinate. I just want to add this thing. So basically this is going to be again in x coordinate, again it is actually 250. Okay, in x coordinate 250 and in one y coordinate, this is what? In y coordinate it is going to be this total is 499, right? So again this is going to be 250 and 499, remember, right? So let's see whether this is going to, yes, right? So everything is ready, all diagonals are ready, right? So that is how you can use your OpenCV library to draw lines. Okay, so though these things are at the beginning, these things are little bit difficult to understand, but until and unless you are not practicing, like using your own methodology, then there is no point. Because see, if you watch this video and after that you don't practice, you will definitely forget this system, right? Because it requires the conceptual knowledge of the coordinate system, it requires the conceptual knowledge of like xy coordinates and little bit of numpy knowledge. Because if you see here, I am also like thinking, then I'm actually putting something and then I'm actually getting the image, right? So sometime also I do mistake, but if you do it in a hurry, then definitely you will make a mistake. So that is why you have to understand what is happening in the coordinate system and how these things are actually designed. And for that, one thing you can do it, you can go to the OpenCV documentation and you will learn all those function one by one. Because if you click here, this is saying like what are the things like point 1, point 2, point 2 is actually one is start point, point 2 is ending point. Like that we can create multiple points here. Okay, so that is the objective, and this is starting point, this is end point, this is the color, and this is the thickness, right? You can change the color depending on your depending on your whatever you want to do, right? Okay, so that's it. I hope this is the good beginning of the drawing function. In the next tutorial we'll see how to actually create rectangle and circles. Whatever comes to my mind first, I will do that. Okay, so that's it. I'll be just going to conclude the video over here, but before I conclude, I would like to request couple of things. So if you're watching this video and playlist for the first time, thank you very much for coming to my channel, but please try to subscribe to my channel, because I have seen my videos are being watched across the globe, but the subscriber counts are not increasing. So guys, please help me. I need your support to grow, and I just looking for your one click subscription. If you subscribe to my channel, nothing will harm you, but your one subscription will motivate me and big time, and also it will help me to grow. Because the moment you guys start subscribing to my channel, YouTube also going to push my videos to the large audience, and my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience. And second thing, please try to share my videos with your family and friend, and if you enjoy the video, try to put some comments so that other for the other members also, or other audiences across the YouTube will find this video helpful, and also this is helpful for YouTube to promote my videos to the right people and right audience. Okay, so these are my ask. You guys can help me. I need your support to grow, guys. Please help me. Okay. Okay. So enough of talking. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you very much.